Hello guys, it's me Eva and welcome to my YouTube channel. Ginawa ko po itong YouTube channel ko just to share my life as a single mom at alam kong maraming solo parents dyan na kagaya ko. So I really appreciate them. Kaya po sila po yung naging inspirasyon ko kung bakit ko po sinimulan mag-video. So this is the first video na iilang pa po ako. So alam ko marami po tayong struggle as a parent, lalong-lalo na sa finances, sa parenting, at nawa po yung mapag-usapan natin yan sa aking mga uploads. And huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-like and subscribe guys. Until next time, see you again. Bye!